Hey guys, so I've been getting this question a lot on YouTube, and everybody's asking me, oh, what's your end of the year prediction for Bitcoin, or what's your prediction for Bitcoin long term? And I don't have an end of the year prediction, but I do have a a case where I would be looking for an 84K Bitcoin, and this will be, I don't know if this will be a long video, but it's kind of a complicated video. It's complex because there's a lot of stuff that went into it. But what I'm really looking for right now is for us to close a bullish week on Bitcoin. That's what I'm looking for. The good thing is you actually have clear breaks of previous relative resistance or relative highs back here from September 6th, right? So you have a clear break, or it looks like we have a clear break of these highs right there, and it's with this weak candle right now. So I think 100%. I think there's like a 99% chance we're going to 60K, right? Because we're already closing. We're going to close more than likely this week above resistance of 53K, and if that happens on the weekly, I think you might see a slight pullback down to like 53K, and then you have a complete run to 60K maybe within another month or so. But my first in there, my first sign of us actually closing bullish would be for us to create, if you guys can see down here, this little, I can delete that, I don't need that no more, but if you guys can see this little red dot, this indicates that we're starting the movement on a bullish cycle for the week. And last time this happened, we actually triggered back on June 21st, and we actually had a nice run to the upside. So it got triggered, we went down a little bit, and then we just completely mashed it to the upside, right? So I would be like 99% bullish on all crypto, close a bullish week. But my biggest indicator would be closing a bullish month. So October, if October manages to close bullish, if we keep rallying towards 60K and we do close a bullish month, then I have an easy price target. I think once the monthly closes bullish, I think within 250 days we're gonna hit 84K Bitcoin. That's what I'm thinking, and I'm like 99% confident that that's gonna happen because I've looked at, yes, I mean, you guys have no idea how much TA I've done on historical patterns or just the average movement of Bitcoin. Whenever we close a bullish month, generally speaking, you tend to do either a minimum of 3x all the way up to a 15x on Bitcoin. And the lows of the recent bear cycle, which started back in May, lows are what, 28K roughly, 29K, 28K. So I have to assume that at least a 3x would be like an $84,000 Bitcoin 250 days after that month close. So as soon as we close a bullish month on Bitcoin, I think we're going to 84K. And minimum, I'd say 3K, right? It can go, I'm not gonna say all the way up to 15x because you don't have those multiples anymore. The higher the price of Bitcoin, the higher it is to grab those multiples. That's why I'm in smaller coins like Anchor or Shiba, or I just bought a bunch of Ethereum. Not right now, but like 2-3 weeks ago, I bought a bunch of Ethereum. I bought a bunch of Matic, bunch of ADA. Like, you're not gonna see big multiples anymore on Bitcoin, but it is gonna be more stable. I love Bitcoin, right? I love Ethereum, but obviously smaller altcoins are gonna provide a bigger multiple. But my price prediction is, as soon as we close a bullish month, which I think is going to happen in October, more than likely November, if we don't have an insane pullback, I think we're going to minimum 84K within 250 days after we close. So that's my price prediction, and I'm like, I'm pretty confident it's going to hit that, right? Unless you have some random ass big whale sell like $1 trillion worth or something, right? But yeah, I think we're going to 84K, and I really doubt that the government's going to step in and say, oh, all crypto's banned. I mean, you already have Bank of America coming on board. You have a bunch of banks starting to refresh. You have George Soros already backing Bitcoin. So, like I said, with all the backing that Bitcoin actually has now, I can easily expect an $84,000 Bitcoin within 250 days after we close a bullish month, which I think is going to happen either this month or next month. But I do think we might actually close a bullish month this month because we're still in the beginning of October. We still got like 3 weeks left, and I think we're headed to 60K. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.